You give me life, you give me strength day by day. I wanna give you praise to the morning dawn. Your love never fades, you keep holding on to me. Your grace is amazing, set us free from every bondage. You give us into heaven and heaven. I can't thank you enough for what you have done. Your grace is amazing. Today I offer my life to control my fear. This is my little prayer to you. Your grace is amazing, set us free from every bondage and keep us into heaven and heaven. I can't thank you enough for what you have done. Your grace is amazing. Amazing, your grace is amazing. Set us free from every bondage and keep us into heaven and heaven. I can't thank you enough for what you have done. Your grace is amazing. Thank you.